Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, Senior Evangelist here at Dremio, here live at the Subsurface 2024 conference to tell you about what is a data lakehouse. And a data lakehouse is an architectural pattern that aims to combine the flexibility and openness of a data lake, where you can store all your data and have it open to several different tools, but combine it with the ease of use and performance of a data warehouse. And the way this is done is by basically decoupling the things that make a data warehouse a data warehouse. A storage layer, well, we'll use your data lake as a storage layer. A table layer, we use table formats like Apache Iceberg to be able to organize SQL-like tables on your data lake. A catalog like the open source Nessie that allows us to be able to recognize and discover all the tables in your data lake. And then a processing layer, a platform like Dremio that has a powerful SQL engine to allow you to run queries and analytics directly from your data lakehouse at performance like a data warehouse with the ease of use like a data warehouse. So that's what a data lakehouse is. I'll see you all in the next one then.